Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We're coming to you with some XDC. XDC on the channel, y'all. We're gonna get right on through the intro and we'll get right to the channel on XDC. Wonderful Sunday morning. Coming to you on the charts with XDC. We get over here. We find that the price of XDC is setting at 0.302, down 2% on the day. We're 17 hours and 31 minutes in the new day, or on this day that we're currently on. We see that XDC came down to the bottom of the Fibonacci at the 0 and got a bounce and headed back up. Currently coming up on a level of resistance here on that sets around 0.3023. Trying to push above that. I do see us getting up above the 382. The 382 here, pushing up. Maybe trying once or twice before maybe coming back down. I wanted to bring to your attention, we're going to look at the RSI. We got some room to go up on the RSI. As you can see here, I want to do a trend line, kind of basically letting you know where we could push up a little bit more. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We could, we could, from where we at right now, we could get up here and then, work our way back down somewhere before going back up on the RSI. So that's why up here, I'm looking somewhere for XDC to kind of push up. We could push up to back to this resistance level up here at 0.3048 before coming back down. And then regaining some momentum before going back up. So that's what I wanted to bring to your attention here. Looking to get up to 0.3048, get a rejection, head back down, retesting this level right here that we was previously at, somewhere around the 0.2988. Really don't have to pull back that far. There is no, as you can see, let's look at the 1 hour. We did pull back here, hit this 0.2988 price and push back up. Right now we're at current level of resistance. There's so many ways to this that we could, we could just consolidate here for a little while before heading up here. We do have another level of support here. We go up and we come back down. Try, we got another level down here before we go back up and get up here. That could also work out. But I do see us pushing up a little bit more, getting close to the top of it. Because if you can see there, I wanted to bring you this on the 1 hour chart. If you can see this right here, we have a gap up here. That gap is right here. Let's see. that gap is right there. Let me take that off. That gap is right here. Right there where that gap is. So I do see us pushing back up there. I don't see another gap. So where we at right now, that gap is right here. Well, let's pull it. There's the top of that gap right there. That's the gap right there. I do see us doing this. We could we could we could do something like this, get a rejection before heading down within this area, then going back up, breaking out above this where we had this gap at. But I do believe we're going to go back up and fill that gap. And this is on the 1 hour chart. So we're looking to come back somewhere around 03041. Now, if we could get some volume to come in here like we do, we got some volume in these last two candles here, these last hour candles, around 426,000. Well, that dropped dramatically right there. That was 881. Let's see, that's the current hour chart we right there, but we had 426 right there, and right now we still have 22 minutes left in this hour. So we could push all the way up, fill that gap, and then come work our way back down here. Then retrying again to get back above this resistance area right here. That is a resistance zone right there, trying to break above that. So to get above that, we need to really, once we break above that, we need to consolidate. We need to consolidate here. Lord have mercy. We need to kind of, range up here a little bit before going much higher. Let's look at our see, this is we back up to our previous day low. This is our previous day high up here. I don't think we're gonna get right there. That's at 03107. Let's look where we at right here and then take this off. Take this off. Who wants to grab it? But I do see us. We could push back up if we break above this previous day low that we had back here yesterday, right there where we at right now. We break out above that, we can look forward to going up, push it up. Get rid of some midlines. Bitcoin's pulling back today. We're at 71,000, around 71,000. getting back up to the previous day high, getting a rejection, coming back down, probably to the previous week low, and we could push all the way down to previous week high, all the way down to the previous week low, and just range in this area right here for a little while before we can see what's going on with the fundamentals. Just ranging within these areas right here before we decide to make a breakout or breakdown. We don't get a breakout, we're definitely going to break down pretty good, substantial. First, if we fall below 69,000, we don't hold 69,300. We're coming down to our previous week low, retested it at 65,800. We fall and then could be coming back to a previous month low at 64,900. So that's what we got on Bitcoin. But wanted to come and cover this with you on XDC. It's pretty well correlated with Bitcoin. We've been in this downward channel, as you can see right here, for a while now. Let's see. Let me give you somewhat of a trend line right here. So we've been, it looks like we're going into, we come down, we came down in a consolidation phase. You can see right here, we kind of came down and we found this area right here at the previous month low. And then, you know, we kind of consolidate. We could just consolidate coming across here before, and you could do this for a while, for somewhere right there, just consolidating, just coming up down, and before we do the breakdown or we break up. So if you like the content we're bringing to you at the channel here, we lose this previous month low. You can look for us to come down. This is on the 4-hour chart. We drop down below our previous month low. You can look for us to come down somewhere, test this area at -382. If we fall below the previous month low at 02945, coming down at the 02902, then pushing our way back up before getting back up here. So that's what I wanted to bring to your attention also. But I do believe we're going to be in a downward trend that we get a complete reversal. This is a bearish market, people. Bearish market. Overall, cryptos are really bearish. So want to show that and bring that to your attention. We're not trying to sugarcoat nothing here. We could take this, push all the way up here before getting a rejection. And then coming, getting a rejection there, and just coming on down. Lord, I mean, we could keep right on coming down. But if you like the content on XDC, subscribe to the channel. And till next time, God bless each and every one of you.